The new S25 series will be coming very soon. There are 3 models coming as we expected. Here they are:
S25,
S25 Plus, S25 Ultra. Today, we're talking about the S25 Ultra leaks.
S25 Ultra is expected to the larger display size than S24. That is 6.86 inch. But the overall phone size is smaller than S24 Ultra. That is really amazing.
Also, the S25 Ultra bezels is slightly thinner than S24 Ultra.
Peak brightness is now 3000 nits.
Design are almost identical.
But the corners are now more rounded compared to S24 Ultra.
S25 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm processor with 7 major Android OS updates. There is no Exynos models.
Snapdragon 8 Elite is more powerful and power efficient from previous generation. S25 Ultra now comes with 200 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel front camera setup.
There are also 3 cameras available in rear, which is 10 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera.
It comes with 16 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabits, and 1 terabyte storage option with no card slot.
Battery is now expected 5000 mAh with 45 watt wired charging and 25 watt wireless charging. It's now support key to wireless charging.
Kita offers faster charging speeds than previous key standards.
S25 Ultra will be released on the 22nd of January 2025 with S25 and S25 Plus models. Thanks for watching. I will catch you later.